what's up YouTube? This is Car Addict. So I left the house because I just washed my car yesterday, and then I hear this beep, beep, beep. Okay, well, whatever. And then I hear some big trucks, and then all of a sudden I hear the hot saw come on. I go outside. They're cutting up my street right in front of my house. So there's dust everywhere, and I want to get my car out of there. They're almost done cutting it. Just a like 2x2 square hole for now because there was a sinkhole in my street. The hole's like this big, but this is a weird turn there. You can put a stick over 2 feet in some directions when you stick it in there at an angle. So they're finally taking care of that, which if they would have done it tomorrow, it'd been better because I'd have been gone for a while anyways. But while I'm out getting something to eat, and I'll show you my next mod. It's again just like the fog lights, something small. Recently I mentioned on video my entire front end was LED. No, it wasn't. I forgot about the side markers. They're LED now though. I'll show you them in a second. Couple issues I noticed right off the bat though. They're from China, which almost all of them are. I couldn't find one that was the case where like a reseller had brought a bunch into California and we're shipping them from California, even though obviously they're still made in China. So I actually had to wait for them to get here from China. It was in the anti-static packaging, inside bubble wrap in a box. And they even had, if you can see the clear stuff in here, it was the same thing you have like on the screen on a new CD player or on a watch face. It's that stuff that sticks real good and just protects it during transit and everything until you, the end user, get your hands on it. You can take it off. Well, everything from my finger down was protected by it. Finger up, open, and it didn't even catch this bottom corner. So it's, I got this nice fresh looking strip, and then I got all this wear. Luckily I have sandpaper from like 40 to 3000 grit and 75 different kinds of polishes and everything, so I'll be able to take care of that. There's also glue that's seeping out from the seams I gotta cut off. However, either one, I don't care. I can take care of the scratches. If these were like $100, that'd piss me off, but they're like $30 or something, or 32. I got about the middle of the road as far as the Chinese pricing lights go. For that, it still would be nice if I didn't have to do any work, but whatever, as long as it fits the profile of the car. That's the worried part, because I know like on those older Civics, at least, like the EG, EJ, whatever, the 92, 95, I think that was the EJ or the yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I think the EJ was one of them. And I hope I got the chassis codes right. Either way, like, not TYC, I don't know. You can get the one-piece headlights. They fit like shit. They never fit right. They look like crap. They look kind of cool because they're one-piece headlights, but they just fit like garbage. So hopefully these fit. I mean, it's a much simpler, smaller shape to replicate, so hopefully they can do it. Plus, it's not taking two pieces and trying to make it into one. It's just an exact copy of a one-piece light, so we should be good. I'll get them on probably next couple days and show you how they look like lit up. I think as long as it looks like it does in the picture, it's gonna look awesome. The way it's set up is it's one of the ones where it's white and then goes amber upon the turn signal, but it's not like a switchback LED or whatever where it's kind of like the same light pattern switches. It is one row or continuous like stripe of white and then a stripe of amber. And the only part I don't really like that much is when you're standing above it looking down at this angle, no big deal. If you look straight at it, I'm sure, I'll go back and forth to try to get you to see what I'm talking about. You can see like some, I don't know, little resistor. They're not resistors. I don't know what the hell they are. Some kind of surface mount diodes, maybe. I mean, LED is light emitting diode, though. I don't know if you have to put other diodes and diodes, but there shows my electronic ignorance right there. But you can see all the surface mount chips and other electronics on the board. It is what it is. So certain angles you can see all of the stuff, which that doesn't really bother me that much, because most of the time you're going to be far enough away and you're not going to be looking for that. And at night they're going to look badass. So I hope. They better look good. I could have gone with clear OEM and been guaranteed a good fitment, but the clear is just not the look I'm going for. This is the look I'm going for. I like the smoked. So if you guys are running these lights, let me know how they fit. If I'm going to be getting frustrated putting them in, hopefully they just pop right in. I don't know. I'm really hoping they fit well. It does look like this hole is not sealed very well to the board, so I'm actually probably going to drop some hot glue around in there to try to seal the moisture out of here. Hopefully it's glued consistently around there to keep the moisture out. I might actually smear some hot glue in those cracks too, just to try to keep all the moisture from coming out. The other issue is, you can tell, if you can see that gap right there, it's not, this light is not pushed together as far as that light. So if this light fits flush, this one will be a little proud, but a little proud, nothing much. Anyways, basically, since this is only an unboxing, I'm going to stop talking because this video is already getting kind of long. But keep watching the channel for these to be installed and see what they look like. As well as I got some other stuff planned. Alright, so anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, because like I mentioned, you'll see those soon. And talk to you guys later.